foundation 咧同第一個一樣嘅，咁只不過我哋係向前後嘅啫。咁呢個 foundation 咧其實係重心嘅 shifting 嚟嘅，咁你會 kick 翻嚟向後，翻嚟 kick 翻嚟向後，翻嚟 kick 翻嚟向後嘅時候咧，身體少少傾下，踩翻嚟，再踢後。咁前面睇就會係 one and two and three and four and，OK？ 好，跟住咧我哋會做到 one and two and three and four and five and 啦，跟住 six 嘅時候咧，我哋會打開一齊 drop 落去，and seven 上翻嚟 eight 係啦 ，OK？ 咁咧 keep 住其實 down up down up down up， 逢親你 up 嘅時候就會轉身啦 ，OK？ 咁叫 six seven and eight and， 好一齊做就會係 one two three four five six and seven and eight and，OK？ 好，跟住咧繼續喎，十腳咧我哋會係踩右擺後。斜後左斜後 ，OK，one two and three and four， 手我哋係插交叉開打圈。So together we go 5 6 7 8 go 1 and 2 3 and 4，OK， 係腳就係 1 2 3 4， 手你會多咗個 and 嘅，so 1 and 2，OK， 嚟多次啊，6 7 8 go。And two and three and four，OK， 好，跟住右腳向前 ，keep bouncing， 黑，左腳向前，黑，左腳去翻後，黑，右腳去翻後 ，OK， so 手你 keep 住都係咁樣就得㗎 ，6 7 8 go 1 2 and 黑 ，OK， 嗱 keep 住拎咁樣，好，跟住側之後咧，右腳我哋會打開啦，咁我哋嘅 pat pat 咧係一個 drop。跌完之後咧 pat pat 推上嚟先，係啦 drop， 手咧可以跟住一齊有少少好似向上推上嚟嘅感覺，係啦，好一齊做咧會係慢快慢 and fly 慢，嚟幾成 8 go 快慢 and fly 慢，好 OK。然後左腳我哋就會去一個踭，係淨係腳踭嘅，腳尖唔喐嘅，踭 and， 跟住之後嗰幾下咧會 keep 住 shift 過嚟，咁咧會係踭尖，係咁 keep 住喐嘅。好，一齊咧連埋個 bounce 咧，你會去 1 2 and 3 and 4 and，OK， 咁嘅手咧可以咧幫少少手啦，同埋個 hip 咧要一齊推少少出去嘅，所以個 push and tick tock，OK， 然後最後嗰下我哋會 and 抽上去，然後右腳擺前面交叉腳 and tap，OK， 好，當你一落地之後咧就即刻轉身㗎啦，咁樣啱係咁樣啦，然後咧我哋轉身嘅時候咧打翻開隻腳去左邊，跟住 post，OK，so 由呢度 7 8 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 7 8